Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, how are you guys? Happy October, I guess. Yeah. The first phase on October. Yeah, it's me. So before this video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot. Yeah. So guess who forgot? So sending love, hugs, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So I just wanted to give a little shout out, like quick shout out to people who commented on my first video. So shout out to Herbs_YT and Stan Beanie PH-8. So hi guys. Thank you for commenting, and if you want a shout out from me, I'm here. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna give another shout out on my next video, I guess. I hope I remember because I'm gonna do it today as well. I made a poll and actually there's a lot. For me it's a lot of people who actually voted on that poll, and it's about who's who.
What?
Beanie won.
Oh my god!
Beanie won. Just look at this. Yeah, Beanie won.
A few moments later.
I expected that Beanie would win or will win, but I thought some of you will actually answer Cat's Eye or Black Swan. But yeah, Beanie's still winning. So since Beanie won, here I am and I'm gonna do this video. So this video is about or is entitled Beanie Dirty Mind _sauce moments. So I think I need a laugh today. I needed to start this video and on a good start. Like, let's laugh, guys. I know that I'm gonna laugh with all the Beanie videos, but I'm just interested with this one.
Who the hell cares?
So let's start the video in 3, 2, 1. Aya, Colette, Maloy, Gwen, Stacy, Mika, Joanna, and Sheena. Yeah, I wanna see it. I'm really interested with this one.
Who's most likely to chat the most in the group chat?
Stacy!
Yeah. Ano yung mga chinat-chat niya?
I miss you, girls! I miss you, girls! Mga links po!
No. Hey, she's very expressive, I guess. For someone to tell you that she misses you, oh my gosh, that's a big move, especially for girls, even though they're best friends. So, yeah.
Hindi, mga Twitter links po kasi. Hindi! Ano yan?
Oh my gosh, Beanie.
Mga Twitter links po kasi.
Guys are girls.
Sounds so it.
Minsan nalalaman na lang po namin, halimbawa may nakita siyang chismis po, ganun. Si Send niya, eto mga to.
Hindi ako.
She loves
Wala ako sa
sharing
kanya.
what she loves.
I am the one, the way you're
Mahilig mag-send ng links.
Uy, parang ako lalaki. Hindi, yakapin mo ako sa ano dito. Wait lang, dapat mas...
gay!
Wait lang, dapat mas buff ka pag...
Sheena! Oh my god. Sheena?
Hindi, yakapin mo
What
ako
the
sa ano
hell?
dito. Wait lang, dapat mas buff ka pag...
Stop it!
Guys, this is a joke, so let's just laugh it off. I mean, it's a Sheena. She will literally do anything funny every time. She's so satisfied.
Tingin nga ng cookie mo. Oo, tingnan mo yung cookie ko may mani. Ah! Oh, may mani nga yun. Bakit naman ang cookie?
Oh my gosh.
Yung may malaking mani o yung may maliit na mani? Yung mani. Hindi mo ako tigawas. Ako din. Hindi mo ako tigawas. Ay, ako hindi. I love mani. Guys, kausap dati ko yung ano eh. Bigyan mo na yung cookie niya, go. Akin ang cookie. You have your cookie.
It sounds so wrong. It sounds also wrong. You will need to hear that for the second time. You need to hear that for the second time. We just need to make sure, guys. We just need to make sure, especially without no context, and then someone would say that.
Get some help.
Oh my gosh. Guys, even the leader. I think Mika is done with them. Mika is very quiet on this video, on this clip.
Thank you, O210.
This is the reason why I'm actually hesitating to do shoutouts as well, because guys, the names, the account names, your handles, oh my gosh. But thankfully, fortunately, all my commenters, all of you guys, my subscribers, my viewers, yeah, I mean, I like your names. Don't change it. Like, let's be normal people around my channel.
12 seconds later.
Kita mo to si Kiki. Ito po si Kiki. Amoy? Isda. Amoy isda, syempre. Isda siya.
Why color
Si Kiki
yellow?
na amoy isda. Bakit dilaw? Kasi may turmeric na pang betta fish yun para maging healthy yung betta fish ko. Ihi talaga ni Kiki yun. Hindi mo nang paganda yun. Ihi niya yun. Minsan
Maloy and I have the same brain cell. Like, they're somewhat related, you know.
ihi talaga ni Kiki yun. Hindi mo
I
nang
thought
paganda
it was
yun.
urine, but it's
Ihi niya
not.
yun.
Obviously,
Minsan,
it's
ba't
not.
daw
It's
Kiki
just
yung name? Ba't daw
intrusive
Kiki
thought.
yung name? Ba't nga Kiki? Kasi Moses Kiki. Charing. May hamster si Kuya Carl, si Panpan, pati si Fifi.
I also have
Sinunod ko si
hamsters.
Kiki kasi may Fifi
I
siya,
have
may Kiki
4
ako.
right now.
Baliw. Ang galing. Ang ganda ng explanation. Guard, palabasin niyo siya.
Hoy, mata na! Kay udto na! Pagkao na!
Anay la.
Mata na di ay si katog! Udto ng dako!
Oh, this is Bisaya. Sorry.
Alakad ako! Alami! Ano yun? Narinig ko lang yun.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love how long it was for them to actually get what they did. Colette was like, what did we do? Yeah, same Colette, same. No.
Sino may stock ng napkin na nilagay sa mirror? Magtingin na tayo ng bilat mo na.
Hoy! May kumo ako.
Oh my gosh. I mean, they didn't know that she's on a live, right? Yeah, because there's no filter on their mouths. She's so worried, guys. So worried.
Ba't tamad kang maligo?
Pag may kasabay po, sinisipag po ako.
Wait for it.
Okay. Let's. We're not on the right position to judge. Yeah, let's respect that, I guess.
You dumb!
Oh my gosh.
Linawin natin kagrumo. Ala ko naman malalim to, kabing ilalim na. Okay, ang sagot nila ay
I suck at this one. May ano siya.
May konting anghang. Gudong yan, te. Uy, ang bargas naman, oh. Pagka-bargas naman.
That's the first time I heard that term, bargas. What is bargas? Oh my gosh. I'm too confident to the point that I'm not looking with the subtitles or the meanings of what they're saying because I'm a Filipina. So, I need to... Oh my gosh, Justin. Too much confidence right now.
Gudong yan, te. Uy, ang bargas naman, oh.
Oh, messy.
Pagka-bargas naman. Hindi ko naman nilawa to. Hindi ko lang nasubo.
Pinamatisang pasta.
Hindi. Feeling ko may pangalan yan eh.
Anak ng putaneska.
Oh, wala kaming sinasabi
Sabi
So, ito po ay
Paano mag-order ka?
anak ng putaneska. Girls, you wanna try?
Ito yung jingle. Oh my gulay! Oh my gulay!
Papalabasin ko talaga.
Putaneska!
Uy, soft diba
Ito yung name eh. Bakit ba?
I mean, yeah, that's the name. So, the video, that's the end of the video, guys. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, see you on my next video.